remove the electrical cable of the printer and remove the toner cartridge. The transfer roller is the sponge roller inside the printer. To remove it, press on the two hooks you find in the white bashing. Remove the roller, sliding it to the right. Note that there is a spring under the bashing. Do not lose it. This is the white bashing with the hooks. Clean the roller with a cloth that does not leave residues. You can slightly damp the cloth with water. Wait until the roller is dry, then insert the roller left side first. Push the white bashing in its position. It's possible to clean the roller without removing it. Rotate the roller to clean the wall roller. Remember to detach the electrical cable first. Reinstall the toner cartridge and the work is done.